These are by far the best purchase I have ever made. I just got them about 2 weeks ago, and I take my dog for walks every single day, and they are so comfortable. Your feet slip right into them, and they're super soft inside. I got a 9. I usually run between a 9 and a 9.5, and these are not wide. They're not wide at all. So I thought I was gonna have an issue because it said wide, but no, they fit perfect. It looks like they can stretch out a little bit. I don't know, but they're perfect, you guys. You guys need to get these. I love them. They're super cute. They're a little dirty right now because I just got back from walking the dog, but best purchase I've ever made on Amazon, hands down.
Substantial feeling. Mis botitas para el frío y para el agua, mis amores. Están bien buenas estas botitas, calientitas y no se te pase el agua. Se las recomiendo. Por ahí pueden hallarlas, por ahí en un ladito.